Believe me when I said I came back to win my lost battle. I'm going to share with you guys how I made this sweet potato bread. No flour, no oats needed. Watch to the end and also help me to share. So I started by adding cooked sweet potato into my bowl, and then I'm going to mash it up nicely. You can always use your food processor or your blender to achieve this. So mash it very, very well. Few months ago, I tried making sweet potato bread, but the recipe was a failed one. I went in with coconut oil. I added 2 raw eggs. That's 4 tablespoons of coconut oil and 2 raw eggs. And then next, I'm going to mix it up nicely. Like I was saying, few months ago, I tried to make this sweet potato bread, but the recipe was a failed one. I felt disappointed. So today, I said I'm going to give it a try again. After watching a video on Instagram, almost I jumped into the kitchen. I said I go try this thing. Oh. So as you can see, I mix it up nicely like this. Next, I added 1 cup of dry milk, dry pig milk, and baking powder. Yes, you heard me right when I said dry milk. Oh, my people, it surprised me too. Oh. I watched this video on Instagram where a white lady used dry pig milk and sweet potato to make bread. I say, me, I go try them too, oh, as I love to try new things. So I'm going to transfer it into my buttered pan and then bake it in the oven. Now tell me, do you love to try new recipes? Try this recipe, you are definitely going to like it. Now tell me where you're watching this video so that on my next video, I'm going to send you a hug. Today's special hug goes to Chidubem watching me from USA. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate. So guys, as you can see, I use my spatula to smoothen the top of the dough, and then next I bake it in the oven. Guys, take a look at this. Does this right here look like something you would love to try? Drop your comments in the comment section. When I cut this bread, I was like, wow, this is absolutely amazing. Guys, take a look at this. Check it out. It came out perfectly well. Honestly, I was not expecting this recipe to come out nice like this. I was scared, like I'm going to waste my ingredients again, but it turns out well. When I tasted it, oh my goodness, it's mind blowing. Try this recipe, you are going to love it. It tastes amazing, guys. See how soft it is. If I tell you this is sweet potato and dry pig milk, will you believe? It tastes amazing. Honestly, this is a must try recipe. Try it, you are going to love it. The taste is so good. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please help me to share. See you all on my next one. Bye.